Hi there. Today we're going to talk about how to insert an image into a Google Doc. I'm going to be using the Storm Chasers Tornado HyperDoc as an example today. The second activity is making a flyer for community members, reminding them of important things to gather and to do before the storm arrives. On the bottom, there are 4 cells signifying to the student that there needs to be 4 different pictures. I'm going to show you how to easily insert an image. First thing, you're going to select the table that you want the image in. Then you're going to go to this tool down here that looks like a plus sign and Explore comes out. You're going to click on that. You're going to go up to the search box and click inside there and type in what you're looking for. In this case, I'm looking for bottles of water. I'm going to select the Images tab, and then I'm going to click on the image I want, hold my click, and drag it into the cell. There are other ways to insert an image. I like this way particularly because it cites where you got the picture. If you click on it, it shows your teacher the source. And that is practicing good digital citizenship. And that's how you insert an image into a doc.